Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the LF Bros diesel heater from Amazon. Quick disclaimer right out of the gate, I bought this with my own money, completely unsponsored. There's no affiliation with the brand. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed. Here's the manual that comes with it. There you go. I hope you can see this. This is one end of it. Here we go. That's the other end. And that's the side view. This is the display that sort of sits on top. This one's been recommended by a friend. It's all-in-one forced air unit, fuel tank, and a heater all-in-one in a neat case. Runs on a 12-volt battery system and comes with LCD screen as well as a remote control, perfect for off-grid. This is the box that came with it. Let me unpack this and then we just go through all the components that comes with it. Alright, set of attachments, as you can see, for the pipes and nozzles that come and go out of the units. Here's another piping mechanism. And on the side, outlet. This is the pipe that sort of comes with it. I have gone and purchased one longer than this. You've got a manual all-in-one and some wiring. More attachments to help you set it up. This will be if you wanted to set it up and plug it in to the main powers. Alright, pretty much this is what you get. To me, this is a complete set of everything you need to set this heater up. I will bring you back to show you the pipe that I've got to replace this, because this is not going to go far for my camp setup. Again, there's an inexpensive longer version of this that you can purchase. I will put the link for the heater as well as for the pipe into the description. I mentioned earlier, this is it. This is what I purchased separately. Just for the comparison, as you can see, this is the smaller one. That's what comes with it. That might work for you. If so, you don't need to buy this. But if you do need to get something like this, this is about $30 Australian. To me, this looks solid out of the box, but the real test is how it handles the freezing cold. I'm heading to campsite in a week or so for a full DIY setup and real world testing video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.